What is up, Bladers, and welcome back to a new video and brand new series, as per suggested by my friend Celeste. Thank you very much, Celeste. We are going to be starting a brand new series where we put my custom Beyblade line, which we only have one of right now, which is Wildfire Tornado, up against official Beyblade X Bey lines. We are not counting collab bays or echo bays. So, with that out of the way, let's get on with the video. And we're now going to spin the wheel to determine what bay we are going up against. But before we get on with the video, I would like to take a moment to say thank you to our sponsor, BeysandBricks.com, where you can get and pre-order the newest and latest releases of Beyblade X, the Random Booster Volume 9, which is a collection of rare Bey yet battle bays. You can get the 5-piece set or the 1-piece. You can also pre-order the brand new Phoenix Flare, the brand new Black Metal Coat Drawn Brave, or you can buy yourself UX18 booster set, full or as a piece, as well as getting the brand new Meteor Dragoon set UX17. If you guys are interested, use code BEYMASTER16 to get yourself 7% off at checkout. Once again, that is BeysandBricks.com. Alright, so for our first video, we are going up against the Drake line, which consists of 3 Beyblades. However, I only have 2 of, which is going to be Shelter Drake and Impact Drake. I will say, if you guys did miss the live stream, Wildfire Tornado is not going to be fully complete. The Gear Cyclone bit did snap in half. Don't worry, I am working on getting a replacement done. So we are going to be using the regular Cyclone bit for the video. Oh, my gear chip fell off. Alright, sorry about that. Yeah, so let us put up Shelter and Impact up against Wildfire Tornado. Let's see who would win. Alright, we are doing first to 4 points for both bays, and we're going to be doing Shelter Drake first. So, round 1. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Getting some great knockback hits in there from Tornado, but not going where we needed to go. Had some heavy tilting there from Shelter, but that is a spin finish for Shelter Drake. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Ooh, solid hits right off the bat. Things seem to be calming down, however. Getting some good chipping in there. Ooh, but that is another spin finish going to Shelter Drake. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh, extreme finish. Let's go. 3 points to Wildfire Tornado. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Good extreme dashes from both bays. Can Tornado score the first point to win, or is Shelter gonna tie it up for a final match? Both bays seem to be losing stamina. It'll come down here to the wire. Ooh, gonna give that to Shelter Drake. Spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Ooh, solid hit from Tornado, but it does bring him into the pocket, scoring the win for Shelter Drake. Alright, we're now doing Wildfire Tornado versus Impact Drake. First to 4 points wins. Round 1. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Instant over finish. Let's go. 2 points to Tornado. All right. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Wildfire landing on top of Impact Drake. Both bays going great for those knockback attacks. Chipping away at its stamina. Can we get a spin finish? We can. Point to Tornado. Round 3. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh! Solid hits from Tornado there, but Impact withstood the impact. However, its stamina does seem to be faltering. Both bays slowing down. Ooh, that was close. I'm going to title that as a draw. Let me know in the comments what you guys think that was what that was. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Ooh, solid hits from Impact in Tornado. Solid hits Impact in Tornado. But Tornado does burst. 2 points to Impact Drake. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Both extreme dashes missed for both bays. Ooh, got some tilt in there on Impact Drake, but it manages to stand itself back up. Chipping away at the damage, and that's a spin finish for Tornado, giving it the win 4-2. Alright, Bladers. That was an amazing battle set there. Wildfire Tornado did go with 1 battle win, with Drake Line getting 1 as well. It seems, even though we got a good extreme dash off on Shelter Drake, it just was able to outspin us. Impact Drake almost made it with a comeback, but Tornado got the win. Comment below what you think about my Custom Bey line, and what you think the next video will be. Remember, be safe, Bey away. Peace out, everybody.